In this video, I will show you how to create a perfect clone for yourself using AI for free, step by step. And just to show you what to expect from this video, here's a real version of myself talking. I love exploring with these AI products. And here is the AI version of me talking fluently in Spanish. Un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales. Isn't that incredible? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how to get the same results. And we've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right into it. So to get started, head over to this page called HeyGen.com. And by the way, if you want to get started easily, just activate your free trial with my partner link that you can find in the description or at the top comment of this video. But nonetheless, the first thing you need to do is sign up for free. I'm going to use Google to sign up just to save me from the hassle of having to remember yet another password. And once you have signed up, click on this avatar icon on the top right corner. So it says that this allows you to build a digital avatar that mirrors your appearance and voice. So let's click on Get Started here. I'm going to use the still avatar because I'm sitting here at the office space and I want to create an AI clone that resembles me while I'm speaking here at the office while sitting at the chair. Then you can check the instructions. I prefer text instructions. And as you can see, here are the requirements. So you need to record a couple of minutes of yourself talking, because otherwise the AI wouldn't be able to resemble or replicate what you're doing while you're talking. And 2 to 5 minutes of footage. You need to use a high resolution camera. This is, well, basically you can do this with your mobile device because these days those cameras are very good. And please look at the camera directly. Remember to pause between sentences. So for instance, if I was now training the AI, I would talk like this. Hello, my name is Arturialli. I gave a shot to this awesome AI product, and then just use those generic gestures and keep your hands below your chest and you're good to go. So this way the AI is able to extract as much information and as much features and characteristics from you as possible. So this is basically yourself introducing you to the AI so that it can then perfectly clone yourself to it. So once you understand these instructions, let's click on Next Step. And here you have two options. So if you're just looking to get started and testing things around, you can click on this Record with Webcam and you can record a short 30-second clip of yourself talking. But I highly recommend using this upload footage feature where you actually upload up to 5 minutes of yourself talking, because at least when I tried this for the first time, this gave me way better results than this quick feature. So we're also going to click on this one. And right now I'll pause this video because I will record myself for a while. Okay, so now I'm done with the recording and now I can just drag and drop the video here, and then it actually asks me to make sure that my face is visible at all times. There are pauses between sentences. You're looking directly into the camera and the environment is well lit. And lastly, it asks me if I want to keep the ambient sounds in my recording. Well, let's keep it for now because there are some ambient, very silent noise that this device and these lights around me are making. So my footage looks good, and then we can just click Next. And now this part is a bit surprising to most, but I think that this is super useful because at this stage the AI is making sure that you're not misusing this technology. That is, you are not creating clones of somebody else without their permission. So right now it actually asks me to record via a webcam just to double check that it's truly me who sent that clip where I was talking, and to make sure that I'm not trying to replicate or clone somebody else. So it asks me to select my language, and then it asks me to read this out loud. And now I'm going to turn on my camera and microphone, and we're going to allow, let's do it this time, and we're going to start the recording. I, Arturialli, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use on the HeyGen platform. For safety purposes, this is the passcode, EMJI. Okay, And right now my consent has been accepted, so the AI was capable of recognizing that okay, it is me who was in that original clip, and it's also me talking directly with the webcam and through the microphone. So now I can click on submit, and right now it will start to upload my training footage video. And this is a quick process, it's only going to take like 15 seconds, but then the AI will start to render my replica, and that will take a brief moment. You can actually see the process here. So if you head back to this page, your dashboard, you can click on the left hand side where it says avatars, and you can click on this. For example, here's my avatar. You can click on that and you can see that, for example, for me it's 20% ready, and I have been waiting for like 3 minutes or something like that. And yeah, I can close this window because the rendering is taking place on their server, so you don't have to keep your computer open. You can do whatever you want. They will let you know via email automatically once the AI avatar is ready, so then you can come back and use it. Alrighty, and after about 15 minutes, here is my AI avatar. And here it actually allows me to check my avatar. So this is the first impression, and this is AI, remember that. Hey, Arturi, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. That's so awesome. Well, my voice isn't like 100% accurate, and it sounds a bit monotonous, probably because the recording was like that as well, because it's unnatural to speak like that. But yeah, it looks exactly like me. This is so crazy. Even though I have done this before, I think that this is actually so much better than what it was like 8 months ago or so. Wow, I'll be having so much fun with this. So yeah, once you have clicked on those buttons, you can actually click on this Create with AI Studio. Let's do a landscape video, and now it will use your AI avatar in the view. And then here on the left hand side, I can paste or I can write any text I want, and my AI avatar will say that out loud. So for example, let's do this text that I just whipped up quickly, and for me it says that voice unavailable. Let's actually see. A website is a structured aggregation of digital resources, hosted on a server and accessed via the World Wide Web. It operates through... Yeah, so it's clearly playing the voice. I don't know why it's saying that voice is unavailable, but I can still click on that. I can click on this, and yeah, okay. So if you see that the voice is not available, just click on it and activate your voice. It's with your name, if you want to use your name, of course. And you can actually, here you can choose your accent. And what's really cool about this is that you can also translate this. So you can do, let's say, for example, let's translate, and let's target Spanish. Let's do Spain, and it has translated my text. And let's click on apply. And now you can see that it's saying these things that I just typed in here in Spanish instead of in English. And now if I click on play, I should hear myself talking in Spanish, which is insane. Y al que se accede a través de la World Wide Web. Funciona. So if you're happy with what your text says here, and if you're happy with all these accents and your voice and stuff like that, then you can just click on preview here. So now it should read this piece of content out loud in my voice. And please pay attention to what it says here. Avatar animation is available after submitting. So when I click on this preview button, un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales alojados en un servidor. You can see that my voice is playing, but I am not moving my lips and nothing is moving. And that is simply because it takes resources to render your animation. So that's not something that is going to happen in real time, because it takes the AI a lot of effort to put that video together. So this one only allows you to preview, basically preview without you moving around and talking. So you can preview everything. If you're doing presentations, you can do those slideshow previews. You can do everything, but you cannot see your AI avatar moving before you have actually rendered the animation. And because in this case I'm trying to record this short clip that allows me to play this kind of a talking head style video, this preview is not much of a use for me. So just keep that in mind. If you're not seeing yourself moving, or if you're not seeing yourself talking here, that is completely normal. That's going to only happen after you have rendered this scene with AI. So right now I'm going to click on submit. and I'll go with these default settings. I will click submit again. And only after a couple of minutes, I have this 25-second video of me. And please remember, what you're about to see right now is AI. So even though this looks exactly like me, this is not me. This is the AI doing the talking. So let's actually play the video and I will put it full screen.
Un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales, alojados en un servidor y al que se accede a través de la World Wide Web. Funciona a través de un nombre de dominio, que sirve como dirección de navegación. Al acceder,
This is AI, can you imagine?
Y reproduce el código subyacente, como HTML, CSS y JavaScript, y lo traduce en una interfaz de usuario interactiva.
That's pretty much exactly what I look like, so there is no way for you to tell that it is not me. It's a perfect clone. And the only thing I would say that kind of gives it away is that my voice is a bit too monotonous compared to what it is in the real world. But once again, that might be due to the fact that I recorded it in an unnatural way, where the AI asked me to do this kind of a recording where I had those pauses and stuff like that. Then also, my movements are not as fluid as in the real world, so it's doing like a lot of these little, very generic movements just to keep it alive, but it's not doing stuff like this or something like this that I might do when I talk, so that kind of also gives it away. But if you were just looking at it, if you didn't know me well, you wouldn't be able to tell that it's not me. Probably you that you're watching cannot tell any differences between the real me and the AI me. This is incredible. If you want to, you can download it by clicking this download button, or you can also edit it as a new video if you're not happy with what you see. So yeah, that's it. That's how you create an AI clone for yourself in just like 20 minutes with AI for free. I'm still blown away by this technology. I think that this was so much worse like 8 months ago, and even 8 months ago I was blown away because this was so new and I wouldn't believe this to be possible in like the next decade or so. So yeah, that's it.